Welcome to networkWCS Customer Portal. Experience the convenience of accessing your account online. Create and manage customer care and technical service tickets right from your screen. And create and manage new and existing orders and customized reports that suit your needs. To access Customer Portal, open an internet browser and in the address field, type https://care.wcs.com. Enter your username, password and click Login. A two-factor authentication is incorporated to guarantee that a malicious user has not compromised your password. You will be sent an email to your login address with a temporary security code to enter upon successful username and password validation. To reset or change your password, click the hyperlink below the Login button. Now let's navigate through this page and get you familiar with different icons. There are three primary menus on this page. First is the blue bar menu, which is on the left side of your screen. Second is the Customer Information tab. And lastly, the Invoice Summary tab. The blue bar menu is presented on all pages of the portal. This bar contains several action icons that, when activated, it allows you to navigate to other pages available. Account is used to check and view all your invoices and any account-related information. Quick links can also be found in this section. This group contains controls that allow you to view invoices, open and monitor trouble tickets, view orders and their statuses, and allows you to view and manage contacts. Tickets, this is used to create and manage repair, billing, or any customer care related tickets. Orders, this is used to manage and monitor orders and MACDs through WCS Order Management System. Reports, this will guide you through, in generating reports, based on your needs and requirements. Files, this is where we store all reports that have been generated. Contacts, is used to view our account services contact details. The Customer Information tab can be found on the upper part of the page. This section contains your information such as WCS account number, company name, address and summary of financial records, account search, account type and invoice responsibility icon, and quick links. The last one is the Invoice Summary tab. You can view your monthly invoices and summary of each month. You can download and view your invoices by clicking these icons, either PDF or CSV files. PDF files will be downloaded directly to your computer, while CSV files will be queued, and can be downloaded through Files Reports in the blue bar menu. To create a new ticket, follow these three easy steps. Select New Ticket from the blue bar menu under Tickets module, complete the form and attach documents if necessary. Hit the Submit button once done. To view and check the status of the ticket you created, select Manage from the blue bar menu under Tickets module. Here's how to access your orders. Select a location by clicking the magnifying glass icon located in the upper right of each page of the Account Information section. Once location is selected, from the blue bar menu, expand Account and click Order, or click on the pushcart icon located on the quick links. You may also check for orders for all locations using the Manage section under Orders. To view orders from the Manage screen, expand Orders and click Manage. Once selected, you will be presented with a list of orders for that specific location. The grid is displayed by order ID, order type, description, status, create and complete dates. You can also filter by location, status and service type. Selecting the Enhanced view at the right-hand side for the Filter section will add the service type column and display individual services within the order. Note that a given order for a location may be listed multiple times in this view, if more than one product has been ordered. To view the order details, click on the pushcart icon beside the Order ID column. Once an order is selected, you will be presented with the order details, including notes and communications that are shared externally throughout the provisioning process. Reports may be accessed from the blue bar menu, and allows you to run and view reports related to your account, services, and usages. To generate a report, choose any of the available reports listed on the page and fill out the required parameters. Click this checkbox should you want to receive an email notification once the report is ready. All queued reports will be available under Files and Reports. To report issues or bugs within the web portal and you would like to send feedback, just click on the Report a Site Problem link located at the bottom of the blue bar. Complete the required information and click the Submit button. If you have questions about this portal walkthrough, please do not hesitate to contact us at 866-375-8324. You can also email us at cusker@wcs.com, or you may visit our website www.wcs.com.